Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys. And if your rear window defroster guys doesn't work, okay, let's say in the winter time you're trying to turn the rear window defroster, also known as Defogger, and it doesn't work guys, we'll show you which fuse to check. Now we have videos for the relay as well guys, make sure you check it out. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So the rear window defroster guys, okay, right here, it's integrated in the rear window, okay, it's the blacks, actually the 10 stripes that go in it, okay, you can see those right there. The car is really dirty now, but we'll show you guys in today's video where that one is located. So first you need to open the hood of your vehicle, okay, and right next to your car battery guys, okay, you have a fuse box. You have one clip here, you need to push back and then pull up on the front side, and you can remove the cover so you don't have to hold it. In the, okay, the two hinges there, you need to connect them later guys. Now good news guys, okay, check it out. We have the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the fuse cover. Bad news, we don't know what they're for. So in today's video we'll clarify which one is guys for the rear window defroster. And the one that we need today guys is actually fuse number 39 guys. Okay, fuse number 39. It's a 40 amp fuse guys in our case, okay, for our vehicle. So this one guys, okay, 39 is right here, so this is the fuse. If you guys want to buy replacement fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can buy them for a cheaper price guys. You can get a whole bunch for not very much, so check it out guys. I'll go ahead, grab it and pull it out. I'll get the new one guys. Okay, let me show you how you can test those. You can see you have two elements on the bottom, left, right side. If the fuse is good, you have communication between the left and the right side. Usually by looking at the glass you'll be able to tell if the fuse is burnt or not. In our case guys, it looks good. Okay, this is the new fuse, of course it looks good, but you can use a voltmeter guys, and if you're on the market for a good meter, consider this one. It's amazing meter guys, and we can check the fuse with it as well. It has so many functions, it comes with a true RMS, so that's a really good meter guys. The link will be in the description of the video. If the fuse is good, we'll see zeros and we'll hear a beep. So definitely guys, a beep and we see zeros. So definitely a good fuse guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos, and see you guys next time.